Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best domino case is probably one of the most important accessories for any serious domino player, ensuring your valuable dominoes are protected from damage and conveniently stored for easy transport and quick access during gameplay, whether you're a seasoned professional competing in tournaments or a casual player enjoying a game with friends and family. This video will explore the key features and benefits of a high-quality domino case, helping you choose the perfect one to safeguard your dominoes and enhance your overall gaming experience. Number 5. Queensell Jumbo Dominoes. These large dominoes are perfect for family game nights. Their size makes them easy for little hands to manage, and the durable design ensures they'll last for years of fun. Each domino is extra large, measuring 0.5 by 1.1 by 2.1 inches. This makes it easy to pick up and play, even for small children. With 28 double 6 tiles, it's perfect for a variety of games. Enjoy classic dominoes with friends and family. The elegant ivory tiles and sturdy wooden case make it a beautiful addition to any game collection. It's a high-quality set you'll be proud to own. Playing dominoes is a fun way to improve memory, strategy, and critical thinking skills. It's a great game for all ages. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This domino set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. Gather your loved ones for an evening of fun and laughter. This domino set will help you create memories that will last a lifetime. What we like. It's large and easy to handle, perfect for families with young children. If you are looking for a durable and classic domino set for family game nights, this is the one for you. This set fosters fun and togetherness, creating lasting memories for all ages. Number 4. Premium Dominoes Set. Get ready for endless fun with our Premium Dominoes Set. They're built to last, with a sturdy design and stylish look. Let the games begin. Each domino is perfectly weighted and balanced for long-lasting play. The metal spinner rivet adds a touch of vintage style and makes them easy to handle. This set comes with a beautiful wooden case for easy storage and transport. It's simple to open and close, protecting your dominoes wherever you go. It's the perfect game for family game night or a casual get-together. With every number combination included, you'll have hours of fun. This 28-piece set is ideal for 2 to 4 players. Everything you need is included, the dominoes and the convenient wooden case. Enjoy! What we like. These dominoes are built to last with a stylish vintage look. If you need a portable set that can withstand wear and tear, this is your best bet. Its convenient case makes it ideal for travel and game nights on the go. What people say. It comes in a box that I was able to cover as a gift for my husband because he didn't want to use his late father's or take it on deployment with him. It's a good set and my husband was very happy with it. The game is for all ages that can read or be taught numbers and the concept. The box allows to keep all the pieces together for storage and packing. My box was good. My tiles were all the same color and no defects. Nice set of dominoes in a wooden box. I love that there's a bead in the middle of each piece, so they spin as you mix them up. The dominoes are fairly small in size, so they travel well. Number 3. Dominoes Double Set. Gather your family and friends for a night of classic dominoes fun. This set is perfect for ages 9 and up, creating lasting memories. These dominoes are built to last. The durable tiles and vibrant, eco-friendly paint ensure years of gameplay. Each domino is designed for optimal weight and balance, making it comfortable and enjoyable to handle during gameplay. Play classic dominoes, Mexican train, chicken foot, or any other game you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. The included wooden case keeps your dominoes safe and organized, making it easy to take them anywhere. Looking for a gift? This dominoes set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for all ages. What we like. With 55 tiles, it offers more gameplay options than standard sets. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting set with a wide variety of game possibilities, this is a great choice. It's perfect for larger groups and those who enjoy a challenge. What people say. Well made and each piece has a pleasant heft to it. I was interested in the piece to play chicken foot and it was in the tin. Also inside the tin is instructions to play other domino games. This is a good size set when you have 6 players. The dominoes are a decent weight and the colors are vivid. Number 2. Dominoes Classic Board Game. It's time to open this beautiful black leather case and reveal 28 classic dominoes, perfect for adults and kids alike. Each tile is carefully crafted for lasting fun. These aren't just games, they're a fun way to learn. It's a great tool to improve math skills and critical thinking for players of all ages. Looking for a gift? This Dominoes set is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's fun for the whole family. Each domino is perfectly weighted and sized for easy handling and enjoyable gameplay. They're built to last for countless games. The vintage look with metal rivets adds a touch of elegance, and the leather case makes it easy to take these games anywhere. Enjoy playing indoors or outdoors. Our mission is to bring people together through fun and engaging games. These dominoes are designed to create lasting memories and encourage lifelong learning. What we like. It's stylish and portable, perfect for gifting or personal use. If you appreciate a touch of elegance and enjoy games with educational value, this set is for you. It's a great option for both casual play and educational settings. What people say. The metal spinners on the dominoes are a nice feature. Case is very nice, especially the magnetic seal. Quality dominoes in a good sturdy case. Small enough to fit in your purse to take to a friend's house. The double 6 domino is a different shade of black, so when you are drawing the dominoes, everyone knows what that dominoes is. Number 1. Bucher&Rossini Dominoes Set. Get ready for hours of fun with our new Dominoes set. It's perfect for family game nights and holiday parties. It is made of food-grade anti-ceramic, making it safe for both kids and adults. The case is made of MDF board covered in faux pear leather. The strong magnetic closure keeps everything secure, and the case is the perfect size for travel and storage. Each tile is 1.9 by 0.9 by 0.3 inches, and the case measures 8 by 5 by 1.5 inches. It's built to withstand countless games. This set includes 28 domino tiles, a durable magnetic case, instructions, and our warmest after-sale service. Enjoy! It's a great gift for any occasion. Give the gift of fun and family time. What we like. The strong magnetic closure keeps everything secure, and the high-quality materials ensure durability. If you value a luxurious and secure storage solution for your dominoes, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate premium materials and a sophisticated design. What people say. The dominoes are great quality. The paint on them is perfect. The case is nice. The dominoes have a nice feel to them, but they are very lightweight. The white dots on black made them easy to read even from a distance. Nice weight, and I prefer these glossy black tiles versus the white ones as they stand up to ash dirt better, don't get as visibly dirty when playing outside on a table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.